All right, Eli, here we go. Let's drop the mouse in. Ooh, the mouse won't poop in the box.
Ew.
Okay. Come here, mouse. Here we go.
That looks like an evil one because you have red eyes.
Ooh.
Is that the biggest mouse that they have?
That was the smallest mouse they had.
Pretty big.
I know. Hope it's not too big. Oh, he sees him.
Ooh.
That was fast. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. My goodness.
I jumped.
I saw you jump. I jumped a little bit too. I was not expecting it to go that fast. I guess Ekona was hungry.
I guess so.
You know what that makes me? Hungry too. We'll just let it run, okay?
Okay.
All right, we should leave him alone now so he can do his thing. All right?
Good job eating it, Ekona.
We'll just leave the camera going. Let's go. Let's wash up. Why don't you wash your hands?
Okay.
I'm gonna go throw this away.
Can I use hand sanitizer?
No.